Thank you for choosing our channel so that we can learn mathematics together. Today we want to look at graphing of simultaneity, linear equations, linear inequalities. So we have a linear inequality here which states that 2x is greater than y plus 4. So we can rearrange it so that we have 2x minus y is greater than 4. And therefore we choose values for x and get the corresponding values of y. When x is 0, y will be negative 4. And when x is 1, so we have 1, so y will be negative 2. And when x is 2, y will be 0. So from there we have the coordinates to plot, which is 0, negative 4, 1, negative 2, and 2, 0. So we turn to our graph so that we can graph that. So to our graph now, we can draw the graph. So this is the x-axis, the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So we have our point, that is point 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to plot the point 0, negative 4. So when x is 0, y is negative 4, that is this point. When x is 1, y is negative 2, that is this point. And when x is 2, y is 0, so that is that point. So before we draw the line, we go back to the inequality to find out. The inequality says that it is purely less than. So when it is purely less than, then the line to be drawn here should be a dotted line and not a continuous line. So it is always necessary that you first go back to the inequality before you draw the line to find out, is there equality sign? If there is no equality sign, then you draw a dotted line. So we have drawn this line. Therefore, which side of this line do we shade? Therefore, so we pick a point above the line or a point below the line. If we pick the point above this line, for example, the point 1, 1, so we have picked the point 1, 1. So we come and substitute the values of x and y in our inequality, which says 2x minus y is greater than 4. So 2 times 1 is 2, y is 1, is greater than 4. Then we have 1 greater than 4. So this statement is a false statement. So it is not true. So this is the false side. So the side where you find the inequality to be false is the side that you shade. If we test this lower side here, we pick a point here, which is now negative 2, 4, negative 4, negative 2. So the value of x here is 4 and the value of y is negative 2. So we substitute 4 there so that we have 8 minus 2 is greater than 4, and that is 10 is greater than 4. So this statement is true, 10 is greater than 4. So this is the true side, this is the false side. So the side where we find our statement to be false is the side that we now shade. Therefore, we have represented that inequality. We've drawn the graph of that inequality. Thank you.